G'day there, welcome to this Mark's Reviews and Tutorials video. Very quick one here. We're in a 1 Series BMW. We've pulled this radio back out because we discovered, have a look at the video up here about the wiring and the speaker wiring that I've made. What we've discovered is that the wire that's coming through here, the power wire that was supplied to the BMW radio, is an all the time power. It doesn't go off, it's on all the time. So for a Pioneer that we're putting in, or another radio, you need a power that's all the time power, and you need a power that's on accessories. It's on switched power that'll go off when you turn the car off. The easiest way to get is off the cigarette lighter here. We've been working on the center console, pulled the gear knob off, pulled all this off to get the console out. Massive amount of work. Can't get in behind this. We've taken this thing off here. Just can't get to it. But there is another one back here. So our recommendation, just use your trim removal tool. Have a look at the links in the description for some tools. Pop this out, and then you can get to these wires on the back here. Here's the cigarette lighter. The green wire you see there is your power. The brown is your earth. So if you take that power wire forward, we're just going to poke it up underneath the console, get it up to the back of the radio. That's going to be your easiest way, short of going in through the ignition, but just something that's accessible, because this just wasn't happening. All these clips are coming off. We just weren't getting access to the back of this cigarette lighter. Okay, so to get it through, the power wire we're using wasn't particularly good at poking, so I got a wire which was had a bit more tension in it, and poked it down from the back down out here, and then we were able to run this wire through. We popped this just pops off with your removal tools, run the wire along, and then through to here, and then we could grab it. Actually came down the side here and then pulled it up. As we said, we poked down from the top and we're able to get it. So we've now got the power wire where we want it. When you want to pull a wire through, you can use something like this, which is much better for poking. It's it's quite a strong wire, and then just tape that on. Then we're able to poke it through one direction, pull it through, and we've now got our accessories power wire up at the radio.